friends, it's Rob here and we're back in the workshop again, this time to swap one of my body mounts on my Midnight Pumpkin. If you saw on my first run, it was, I won't say cut short, but yeah, right at the very end we discovered that this front mount had broken off. Admittedly, I've managed to screw it back on and it's held up, but I haven't really run it much other than to do a speed run with some wheeling. But yeah, I thought let's go and change it. And what I've decided to try are these 3D printed things, mainly because they were I think just over a £5 for all the set of 4. But I don't know if you can see there, the base isn't that brilliant, so I think I might need to do a bit of prep work on that. I don't know if I'll be able to cut the stuff off. Okay folks, so I started to sand this down and then got it flattish, and then took the old one off and noticed there's a cutout in the proper Tamiya ones, but there isn't on any of these printed ones. There might be a bit of what looks like possibly might be, or they may have attempted to put the slot in, but it hasn't worked out very well at all. And the slot is required because there's a slot or a raised bit on the body mounts, and the same on that side. Okay, so I've given up trying to cut the slot out so that it fits over the body mount properly, or the chassis mount should I say, because I've fitted it temporarily, and as you can see, putting the R-clip through, it's just going to scratch and take off any paint that you put on, because the hole's the wrong way round. So I'm afraid these are going in the bin, so don't waste your money on these 3D printed parts. That's all I can say. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.